What's up, traders? I want to share something that happened to me today. Even after months of day trading responsibly, even after having a pretty good idea about how trading emotions work, I almost fell for one of the biggest psychological traps in trading. And honestly, I can see why people mess this up. For the first time in a long time, I haven't taken a single trade in 2 days. Not because I stepped away from the markets, but simply because I didn't see anything worth trading, especially with the DeepSeek FUD going on. So as you can imagine, as a day trader, I'd be lying to you if I told you I'm not feeling anxious to participate somehow. And then what do you know? Today turns out to be the FOMC day. It is one of my rules that I don't trade FOMC days. And yet, despite knowing that, I actually caught myself actively trying to convince myself that maybe today was different. I was literally telling myself that it won't hurt to just take one trade. Or I've been patient for 2 days now. I think I deserve a trade if I see an opportunity. Like what? Like I know this is a bad idea. I've told myself a million times to avoid trading just for the sake of trading. But all day today, my brain was working overtime to rationalize breaking my own rules and trade. Let's say I listened to that voice in my head and took a trade today. How would I have felt? I would probably feel a hit of dopamine because at least I got to do something today instead of just sitting on the sidelines. But imagine if I lost, which by looking at today's price action, I definitely would have. I'd be kicking myself right now, not just for the loss, but for breaking my own rule. I emphasize on this channel over and over to stick to the plan, and it'd be silly for me not to do that. Also, that regret would sting way more than the P&L hit. And here's the dangerous part. What if I won? Would I suddenly start rethinking my FOMC rule? Would I now feel the need to trade every FOMC day just because one of them worked out? And that's what scares me the most. Not just the potential loss, but the precedent it sets. Today was one moment of weakness that could have snowballed into a bad habit. I knew boredom is a dangerous thing to go through as a trader, but that was coming from someone who got to trade almost every day. I've never felt it this badly until today. When you go days without trading, it starts to feel like you're just sitting on the sidelines while everyone else is in the game. And when that happens, your mind starts looking for ways to press that buy or sell button. This is so dangerous because if you don't catch yourself, you start believing your own excuses. And the moment you break your rule once, it gets easier and easier to do it again. Look, I don't have this all figured out. I still have these thoughts and I still catch myself almost slipping up. But that's why I wanted to make this video to journal these emotions and put them out in the open. Because if I'm experiencing this, I know other traders are too. The market isn't tricking us into making bad decisions. We do that to ourselves. And the worst part, it feels logical in the moment. I know I didn't trade today, and I know that was the right call. But the fact that my mind still tried to justify it, that's something worth thinking about. So I'm curious, have you ever caught yourself justifying a trade you knew you shouldn't take? And what happened when you did? I want to hear your experiences in the comments, because today, I almost fell for it too. If this video hit home for you, make sure to like and subscribe for more real, raw trading experiences like this. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. Watch yourself out there. And thanks for watching. Red signing out.